Are you an entrepreneur, business graduate, freelancer, or a business owner and you are looking to grow your brand online? Want to attract more customers and boost sales? Creating a Facebook business page is one of the best ways to increase visibility, engage with your audience, and drive traffic to your website. Welcome to Trend AI. I am Dr. Naeem. Today, I will show you step-by-step process that how to create a professional Facebook business page from scratch. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your own fully optimized Facebook page ready to promote your business. So, let's jump right in. To learn step-by-step process, step 1. Logging into Facebook. To get started, you need a Facebook account. If you don't have one, you can easily create it by visiting facebook.com and signing up. If you already have an account, simply log in using your email and password. Now, let's create our business page. Step 2. Creating your Facebook business page. First, click on the plus symbol, icon. Once logged in, look for the plus icon at the top of your Facebook homepage. Click on it. Second, select Page. A menu will appear. Click on Page to start the setup. Enter business details. Now, you need to provide some basic details about your business. Page name. This should be your business name, e.g., Pick Naturals. Category. Choose up to 3 relevant categories that describe your business, e.g., beauty, health, online store. Description. Write a short but engaging description about what your business offers. Once you've filled out these details, click Create Page. Your Facebook business page is now live. Step 3. Adding a profile picture and cover photo. Your page visuals are crucial for making a great first impression. Here's how to add them. Profile picture. Click on Add Profile Picture. Choose a high-quality business logo or a professional image and upload it. Cover photo. Click Add Cover Photo. Select a banner image that represents your brand and upload it. Tip: use images that are clear, high resolution, and eye-catching to attract more visitors. After uploading the images, click Save to apply the changes. Step 4. Adding business details. Now, let's make your page more informative by adding contact information. Add your phone number, email, and website if available. If you don't want to share your phone number, just enter your email address instead. Location details. If you have a physical store, add your business location. If your business is online only, select I don't have a location and choose your service areas. Business hours. Set your working hours so customers know when they can reach you. You can also add temporary changes, like holidays or special hours. Social media links. Connect your Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn accounts to your Facebook page. After entering all the details, click Save. Step 5. Customizing your Facebook page URL. By default, your page URL will have random numbers, which can be hard to remember. You can change it to a custom username, vanity URL, that matches your brand. Click on Create Username under your page name. Enter a unique username, e.g., @PickNaturals. Click Create, and you're done. Party popper note: you might need 25 followers before you can set a custom username. Step 6. Adding a call to action button. A call to action, CTA, button helps visitors take action, like booking an appointment, shopping, or contacting you. Click on Add a button below your cover photo. Choose a button that fits your business goal, such as Shop Now for online stores, Contact Us for service-based businesses, Book Now for appointment-based businesses, Learn More for informational websites. Paste the link to your website, product page, or booking page. Click Save. Your CTA button is now active. Step 7. Creating your first Facebook post. A business page without posts looks inactive. Here's how to add your first post. Upload an image or video. Click Create Post. Then upload an eye-catching image or video about your business. Write a caption. Add an engaging description, e.g., Welcome to Pick Naturals. We bring you the best organic skincare products. Shop now. Use hashtags. Add #business, #organic, #online shopping to increase visibility. Click Post, and your content will go live. Step 8. Inviting people to like your page. To grow your audience, invite friends and potential customers. Scroll down and find Invite Friends. Click Invite next to their names. They'll get a notification to like your page. Tip: share your page on WhatsApp, Instagram, and other platforms to get more followers. Step 9. Tracking your page performance. Once people start visiting your page, check Insights to monitor page views. See how many people visited your page. Likes and followers. Track audience growth. Post engagement. Analyze which posts get the most likes and comments. Finally, congratulations! You have successfully created a Facebook business page and learned how to customize it, post content, invite people, and track performance. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and share it with others. For more digital marketing tips, don't forget to subscribe to Trend AI today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.